The Wales Harp Festival will be taking place in Caernarfon in this wonderful building of gallery on the Menai Straits. Do come and join us, young harpists, older harpists, anybody who has love for the harp and its music. There will be tuition in classes. The main teacher will be Ira Lynn Jones, who is head of harp at the Royal Northern College of Music in Manchester, and other teachers, and you can look in the website for more details. The concerts will be held in the evening, and there's one very interesting lecture which will be given by Lord Martin Thomas of Cresford, and he will be discussing his old family, the Welsh Romany family of Abram Wood. And also in the concert on the final evening, the artist will be Robin Hugh Bowen on the triple harp, and Chris Newman and Moira Casey from Ireland, and Benjamin Crichton Griffiths, the young jazz harpist from Wales. And the main theme of the festival, of course, will be to remember and celebrate the life of a great Romany harpist, John Roberts, who was born 200 years ago in Newtown, and led a very, very interesting and very rich life. Every year when the Harp Festival is on and the course for young harpists takes place, these galleries in Gallery Caernarfon will be full of harps, and at the end they'll all come together to play on the galleries. Do come and join us.